poached in tomato sauce. Was a dish that was a regular on our menu when I was a child, especially in the summer. It was great making simple tomatoes. The tomatoes were in season, the chickens were laying eggs, and you had your tomatoes, you had your proteins, and it was all set. So, but it's very simple, and you can make it at home. Let's begin to make a light marinara sauce. So a little bit of olive oil, garlic, and this marinara sauce takes about 20 minutes, no longer than 20 minutes. You want the tomatoes to be fresh, but canned plum tomatoes make a great marinara sauce. So here I have canned plum tomatoes. So I really crush it with my hands just like that. This is fun, and especially if you give it to the kids. The kids will love doing this, and they feel like they have cooked with you. So, okay, let me wash my hands now. Just a little rinse. And I like to put a little bit of oregano in it, especially when I poach my eggs in it. So this is nice and golden. Let's put this in. Okay. You want to buy the oregano, not the one in the jar, because that's dry. You don't know how long it's been in the jar. This is a nice oregano. It is from Sicily, sometimes from Greece, is also delicious. And all you do is you kind of just squeeze a little bit. And you don't want too much because it is rather pronounced. I think that's enough. Pick it up and put it right in the sauce. A little peperoncino. Lower the flame a little bit. You cover it, let it simmer for 20 minutes, and then it's gonna be ready to put the eggs in. I recall, here it's brunch is a popular time, but we had the equivalent, which is called the merenda. It was kind of a snack, and usually it happened between 10 and 11, and usually it always contained scrambled eggs in some form. So it was a very special kind of midday snack, reinforcement, and eggs were always part of it. The marinara sauce, the tomato sauce, is ready. You see it has reduced and the flavor is really kind of concentrated. So we are ready to put in the egg. One egg at a time. Okay, that's one. You gotta get a move on. Sometimes you can get all your eggs all set, ready to go, not breaking one by one, so that they're more in sync with the cooking time. And you cook them at your desired doneness, or whatever your family likes. Right in here. Gotta put a little bit of salt just on the eggs. Don't have it really boiling full speed, but just leave it like that. Cover it and let it cook. We used to eat them a lot like that, but Grandma used to sometimes even scramble the eggs and just throw them in the tomato sauce and make like a big scrambled tomato and egg, and it was delicious. A little bread, of course, to mop up that sauce. Kind of take a piece of right like this in the middle, and you can go down the line, get your 6 dishes all set. Make sure you have a nice sort of spoon that you can scoop them up and then put them right on top of that. So let's check them. Let's check them out. Okay, here we are. So let me just feel it. Okay, I think that this one might be good for me. I like it a little bit on the runny side, but let's do like this first. Let's put a spoonful of sauce so that the bread mops up the sauce. Then let's put the egg right in the middle there. Okay. I'm going to close this because it's going to finish cooking from its heat while I talk to you about this delight right here. You could put a sprinkle of cheese on top, grated cheese, just a little bit like that, and it's perfect for me. I am gonna go right into it. Should I? Of course I should. Let's, you see? Here it is. So a nice little piece of bread, piece of egg, a little bit of the yolk, a little bit of the tomato, and it's a perfect balance. Now, really delicious. The marinara sauce, the tomato sauce, the bread, just a simple bread dunked in marinara sauce, you know how good that is, and then with an egg on top, is delicious, easy to make. So when you have somebody unexpectedly coming for brunch or something, you have eggs in the refrigerator, you have a can of tomato sauce, make one of these.